I am Romario, and this is my walkie, who's been my best friend at the Anand Sagar all those years. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back, proudly presenting Kala Roha 2020. Well, sit back, sit tight, because this journey is going to be amazing.
The Center for Performing Arts at the Anand Sagar College of Engineering started its journey a decade ago. With each day being more rewarding than the last, it's only fair that we celebrate the past. It's been a decade full of memories, a decade full of surprises, and a decade filled with possibilities. So here's to Kala Roha, where we celebrate a decade of talents.
While the Anand Sagar and CPA have been all about academics and culturals, most of us did not have the privilege of having the DJ night at Furor. Well, that being said, we still did manage to have a lot of fun. Well, to take you down a trip of nostalgia, let me start off by calling upon Siri Chandrasekhar from the batch of 2019. Thank you, Siri. That was amazing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of the formal function. Stay in your seats and do not leave the auditorium, because this is going to be amazing. Well, coming up right away before I leave is the guy who turned on all the flashes inside the auditorium, Siddharth Nandakumar from the batch of 2018. Please put your hands together for Siddharth. Thank you, Siddharth. That was truly down memory lane. Well, next up, boys and girls, is the super popular alumni of DSCE. Please put your hands together for Kavya Ramesh. Yes. Sorry, that was just somebody asking me for once more. Thank you, Kavya. Well, if you want to see it once more, you can always rewind. Yeah. Well, boys and girls, next up we have Sahana from the batch of 2015.
पास जिसके हम न हो, ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी, आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी, ओ साकी साकी रे साकी साकी, आवाज रह न जाए कोई ख्वाहिश बाकी.
Well, thank you, Sahana. That was amazing. So, boys and girls, before we move forward, I have one very simple question for you to answer. Let's see if you can answer it. And if you do answer the question, let's say Pooja ma'am gives you something. Okay? Yeah. So the question is very simple. The question says, how do you ask a snake to punch you? Yeah. Very simple question. How do you ask a snake to punch you? So you can guess the answer for now, and I will answer your questions later. So next up we have Adarsh Ramkumar and Sushant from the batch of 2016. Please put your hands together for Adarsh and Sushant, but don't forget to answer the question. Thank you, Adarsh and Sushant. That was amazing. Well, if you've thought about the answer and you are not sure if the answer is true, I know, I can obviously guess. Okay? So, the answer for how do you ask a snake to punch you is, you just say Nag punch me. Yes. My Instagram handle is MC_Mario. I will take all of your hate on that channel. Thank you. Okay, so next up, boys and girls, we have a very special person. The founder, the guy who basically brought vibrations into picture. Please put your hands together for my favorite senior from the batch of 2015. Please put your hands together for Sharad Bhaiya. That was nice. So moving on, boys and girls, next up we have Manish from the batch of 2018. Please put your hands together for Manish. अभी मॉनिटर आवाज़ मॉनिटर इंक्रीज मॉनिटर अभी. ओके, थैंक यू. वेल, थैंक यू मनीष. So moving on to the riddles, boys and girls, I have one more question for you, probably the last question. So the question is very simple, like the previous one. What do you call a traffic jam of farmers? Very simple question. What do you call a traffic jam of farmers? So if you know the answer, guess it and hold your thought. I will be back after this bout. Well, boys and girls, please put your hands together for Apromia, the batch of 2018, also famously known as Small Apro. Please put your hands together for Apromia. Stille Nacht, heilige Nacht, alles schläft, einsam wacht, nur das traute hochheilige Paar. Hol der Narbe im lockigen Haar. Schlaf in himmlischer Ruhe. Schlaf in himmlischer Ruhe. Stille Nacht, heilige Nacht, alles schlaft, schleimet sacht, einsam wacht hoch heiliger Paar. Leeflijk in je met God in het hart. Sluimert in hemelsrust, sluimert in hemelsrust. Thank you, Apro. That was nice. Well, next on we have Tammellarige Namaskara, my dear friends. I hope you are guessing who's coming up next. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vineet.
ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಸುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಮಸ್ತು ಮಸ್ತು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಸುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಲು
Thank you, Vineet. That was amazing. Well, boys and girls, with this we come to the end of Kalaroha Part 2. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for taking the patience of listening to my irritating voice through the entire video, definitely along with a few others. Well, so the answer to my riddle is very simple. So what do you call a traffic jam of farmers? Well, don't think too hard, you call it a Kisan jam. Well, thank you for involving all of us and making us feel at home at Kalaroha 2020. I hope to see all of you when we actually have the event, hopefully next year. So stay home, guys, stay safe, and hopefully all of us are going to be alive after the lockdown. Thank you, goodbye.